With just soil, metal, and fiberglass, he began transforming a UFO drawing on the ground into a real, landable, flying saucer-shaped seaplane. And here's the entire process from start to finish.
Step by step, from mold making and composite casting to powertrain installation and interior finishing, the entire process is done manually with high precision. This video documents the journey of transforming a bold concept into a real working vehicle on the water.
The shape of the UFO was marked on the floor using precise measurements. From there, metal bars were cut, bent, and welded to create a framework that served as the structural base for the mold. Soil is spread over the marked area, then molded according to the framework to create the cabin compartment, forming a mold in preparation for the mortar pouring process. Once the mortar hardens, the surface is coated with a release agent to allow mold release. The result is a solid, recessed mold, providing a foundation for the fabrication of the UFO-shaped vessel's cabin. Short fiberglass strands are laid onto a negative mold, and a liquid polymer resin is applied on top. Upon curing, the resin bonds the fiber layers together to form a composite shell. A metal frame is assembled to secure the vehicle body, ensuring stability and creating workspace for subsequent operations. Once the outer shell reaches the required rigidity, the sound molding is separated from the cabin body. The edges of the fiberglass shell are trimmed, smoothed, and the entire surface is sanded to achieve a flat, clean finish. According to the design, hexagonal frames are cut from plasterboard to create window openings. Next, rectangular frames are attached to the vaulted roof to create skylights. Finally, door frames are installed to shape the door opening and increase the rigidity of the load-bearing area. Inside the cabin, the hexagonal patterns are created using fiberglass and polymer resin, which reduces weight, increases rigidity, and enhances aesthetics. If you're still following and enjoying this project, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. This is the simplest way to support us. The bottom of the vehicle is manufactured using the same process as the top, differing only in shape. It doesn't have a dome like the cabin. The keel is fabricated and fitted to the bottom of the ship to reduce lateral drift due to wind or current, helping to improve navigation stability. The propulsion system is mounted on the ship's keel and secured with additional supports. Rubber pads in the supports serve to reduce vibration, limit movement, and keep the assembly stable. An additional cut opening was created for the water intake net, and then the bottom was coated with a black protective layer to increase the hull's durability during underwater operation. At this point, the main structure is complete. The UFO-shaped vehicle's skeleton, including the upper body, lower body, keel, and propulsion system, has been assembled. The window and door frames are removed, and the edges of the openings are trimmed and smoothed to remove any burrs or misalignments. This step prepares the surface for installing the doors, glass, and finishing details, completing the functionality of the cabin.
The exhaust system is fitted with a water box that acts as a muffler. This box mixes coolant with hot exhaust gases, reducing heat and noise before they are expelled. The flexible hose is fitted securely onto the connector. Then hoses and clamps are used to connect the water tank to the exhaust manifold and pipe. The system delivers coolant into the exhaust line to cool the gases before they exit, while also helping to reduce noise, protect the engine, cool it, and regulate back pressure. A small tube is fitted for the steering linkage, connecting the steering wheel to the directional nozzle. When the steering wheel is turned, the nozzle redirects left-right to control the high-pressure water flow. The linkage assembly is threaded through pre-drilled holes aligned with the internal structure of the body and securely connected to the steering wheel to transmit motion directly to the rear. After the edges of the openings are aligned, the driver's seat is securely fixed in place within the cabin. The motor housing is made from fiberglass reinforced gypsum board and polymer resin, resulting in a lightweight, corrosion-resistant structure suitable for aquatic environments. The painting process begins with the interior. Multiple thin, even coats are applied to achieve stable coverage. Next, the exterior surfaces are finished with marine-grade paint, increasing protection against harsh conditions. The doors are constructed from the same material as the ship's hull. After shaping, the doors are coated with a protective layer, filled with putty to smooth out imperfections, and then reinforced with a layer of fiberglass and polymer to increase durability.
The door is divided into two parts for easier handling. After cutting, excess material is removed and the edges are smoothed for a tight fit and safe use.
The opening and closing mechanism is constructed using metal rods, heavy-duty screws, and power tools. The rods are cut, bent, and assembled into hinges and support arms to ensure smooth door movement. The mechanism consists of a fixed and a moving part, connected by screws and bolts to operate the opening and closing mechanism. The doors are spray painted with marine paint matching the hull color, with multiple even coats to increase coverage and water resistance. Inside the door, a layer of fabric is glued on to create a smooth, even, and aesthetically pleasing surface, while also concealing minor imperfections caused by the manufacturing process. The mounting location for the door opening mechanism is precisely marked and cut, then attached using specialized adhesive and secured with screws for increased stability. This installation method ensures smooth operation and resistance to the marine environment.
The manufacturer installs a push-pull control system to transmit motion from the actuator to the door. A servo is installed to control the door opening mechanism, receiving signals and rotating the linkage. Threaded rods act as the push-pull levers, coil springs absorb vibrations, and electrical wires connect the actuator to the control system. The entire interior of the vehicle is also covered with fabric carpets in the same way as the doors. LED lights are installed in the designated positions on the cabin. The wiring is neatly routed behind the panels, connecting to the power source and control system, increasing illumination while creating a futuristic aesthetic. The control panel is installed and connected to the electrical and control system to support overall operation. The fuel tank is positioned under the driver's seat to maximize space and maintain balance. Fuel lines are carefully routed from the tank to the engine to prevent leaks, ensuring a safe and stable fuel supply. According to the engine diagram, all the wiring and piping are fully connected, ready for reliable operation. The accelerator pedal consists of a pedal surface, a lever arm, a pivot point, a return spring, and a linkage. When the accelerator is pressed, the linkage controls the powertrain by changing the amount of fuel, thereby increasing or decreasing speed. Cast acrylic sheets are cut to fit window openings, a popular solution in DIY semi-professional projects for replacing glass or creating custom windows for boats, homes, sheds, or vehicles. The acrylic edges are grooved and primed. Then the automotive window tinting film is applied. If you've watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and consider subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to do even better on future projects. Solar panels are mounted on the outer surface, usually on the top part that receives good sunlight. Conductive strips are welded onto each panel to connect them in series, creating a continuous circuit that conducts electricity between the panels. These batteries convert light into electrical energy, providing a renewable source for charging batteries or powering systems in the vehicle. The window assembly is properly positioned and secured with high-quality silicone sealant, creating a flexible, watertight seal that prevents leaks and withstands the loads and vibrations of operation on water.
The UFO-shaped watercraft is now fully assembled, ready for testing and launch. It stands there as a realization of its creator's vision, poised to glide down the river as planned. After countless hours of labor, skill, and ideas, the UFO-shaped vessel is finally complete. From a dream to reality, every detail, from the composite cabin to the propulsion system, reflects the passion and determination behind the project. This is not just a vessel, but a functional work of art created from raw materials, embodying the spirit of pursuing a goal. Each part tells the story of overcoming challenges, proving that with perseverance, even the boldest ideas can become reality. If this project interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Many more impressive creations are coming soon.